Show you information about the three forms of a quadratic function. We're going to start with standard form, and I'm just going to try to put everything in this video that we're going to be learning the rest of this chapter, so that if we get called off again, it's already all taken care of. So the first form that we're going to look at is standard form. Standard form, if you remember, is of the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a and b are the coefficients of the x's, and c is our constant. The information that we get from standard form, the c value is our y-intercept. The a value only tells us our concavity. Concavity meaning opening up or opening down. If that a value is positive, it opens up. If the a value is negative, it opens down. The next form of a quadratic that we're going to talk about is factored form. Factored form looks like y equals, we have that a again, but we have x minus one of our roots, and then another factor of x minus the second root. Now remember that the roots are x-intercepts, and our calculator calls those the zeros. So for example, if I know that the x-intercepts of a quadratic are 4, 0, and 7, 0, my factored form will be y equals x minus 4 and x minus 7. Now here's something important to notice, that when the x-intercept is positive, we end up with a negative 4 in the parentheses. So for example, if I had x-intercepts of negative 5, 0, and let's say 6, 0, this x-intercept is actually going to give us a factor of x plus 5, and then this will be x minus 6. Now this a value still shows us our concavity. So if I had a problem like y equals negative 4 times x plus 1 and x minus 9, I would know that this parabola opens down and has an x-intercept of negative 1 and positive 9.